So Yinka Alashete, they tell us say make we dey pray. Say our prayer is not enough. The government is working, president is working, each parastatals is working, they yarn dust. But look at you up here, dining and whining with the same APC. And it's about to jẹ dodo by nílé so dodo mo. No, make we pray until we turn to bone now. Because no be we even pray pass. Nigeria pray pass for this whole continent. Worldwide, now we pray pass, but now our life spoil pass. Now we worst pass. China no they pray, then they worship snake, then they worship cow. But look at their lives today. Other countries no believe in prayers. We pray rich. You open your mouth, wow. No be your fault. But to simba we APC jẹun, to simba one dying, le so thorough now, because at the end of the day, you want me them call you for December, make you come sing for government house. Politician singer, be politics singer. Be like say you know well. Open mouth, they yarn nonsense. If to say that one of your child did that place where then carry those children go, you go come they say make we dey pray. You lead us in prayer now, prayer warrior. We are not even ready as a country. Because ask me, how would you pray and do nothing? Prayer without nothing is cowardice. God will not even come down from heaven to help anybody. If you like, pray from now to tomorrow. It go just be like say God no dey hear you. Because he already puts a leader on us. After God na government. You pray to God, then the government executes it. So if they are not doing anything, what should we do? We continue to pray till bandits buy all of us finish. Be like say this Alashete, be like say your head don't knock. And no be your fault. The other day when you come out, where they try sing person song, Nigerians support you. They even say, hey, Topi Alabi, your own too much. Make another person shine. Shebeti sing. You made the wrong person famous. Wetin they sing? You know, call God self. Wetin they sing where another person no sing? Shenu be enu pekpeye. Would that be bonga fish? When she come that time, be like bonga fish. We no seafood shop. You don't they charge millions of naira now because say you won't sing for church. They charge people millions of naira. You don't they see money. Now why you know if you talk true? Be like say your head don't knock.
Ẹ̀yin tèmi ẹ ti gbọ́ gbogbo nǹkan tí arábìnrin yìí tí ó sọ o. Àwọn méjì ni wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ nínú fọ́nrán yìí. Ẹ̀yin tèmi ẹ fi ara balẹ̀ ẹ wá nǹkan fìdílé ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ nǹkan tí ẹnì kejì tí ó ní láti bá wa sọ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ arábìnrin Yínká Aláṣeyọrí.
With the present situation of the country, if you know you don't know how to talk, you don't have good presentation, lágbèkalẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ ṣàròrà gbẹnu ẹ̀ dákẹ́. Yínká Aláṣeyọrí látànà ń sìn onímọ̀ bóyá ayé lòun wà bóyá ọ̀run lòun wà. Even despite coming out to apologize, people were still dragging her. Nǹkan tó ṣe wá funny jù ni pé some people were like Yínká Aláṣetẹ́, Yínká Aláṣe dànù, Yínká. It's not funny. Kò funny. Kí ló pa mí lẹ́rìn? Àwọn ará comment section náà wọ́n help. Nigerians, mi níṣẹ́ yín o. Comment section bad. If that woman love herself, she should not read comments. Because if she does, my word, depression. Moriman Konisi, that man said, Topi Alabi, Emma bínú sí wa mà. Ipe a support Yínká Aláṣeyọrí nígbà tó kọ orin yín. Wèrè àwọn òkùnkù mọ orin kan náà, orin olórin ló ń jí kọ. That man said, Aunty Tope, ẹ dáríjì wá. Aunty Tope, ẹ dáríjì wá. Nigerians, ṣe. Wọ́n ní kí ló ń kọ gan. Kó tó ṣe pé kòtòkòtò náà ló ń sọ. Ṣàdúrà ni wọ́n gbà tó. Kùdùsì fún yín o. But kò sí nǹkan tó funny in the country presently, seriously. Ọ̀rọ̀ tó bá kàn ti jọ kan lọ, ẹ̀rín lèèyàn ń fẹ́rín. Àwa tá sí l'Ọ́yọ́ state gan, ọmọ máa lọ school ẹ̀bú máa bà wá. It is well.